How to change WhatsApp number without losing chats. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Once you're here in the Settings page, you need to go over to Account. Then, tap on Change Phone Number from the options. You can use Change Phone Number to migrate your account info, groups, and settings from your current phone number to a new phone number. Now tap on Next at the top right corner to verify that number and confirm that your new phone number can receive SMS or calls. Here, type in your old and new phone number to confirm and change it. Then tap on Next again. Following these steps, you can easily change WhatsApp number without losing chats.